Hello friends, welcome to How to Do It. Today I'll show you how to image center on HTML. Alright, so if you want to your image alignment center, so you need to write some code like HTML or CSS. Today I'll show you two methods. Alright, so if you want to this image center, then you need to write center tag like center. Then you can your image tag code inside the center tag. Now, if we reload here, then you can see the center tag. Before, make sure your body with 100%. Actually, this image position depending on according to your this parent tag. Parent tag, all right. But if you assign the parent tag like 500 pixel, then this image position according to this body width. All right, so you can just make sure that this parent tag width. All right, so if I just write 100%, then this image will be centered according to parent width. All right, so that's it. Please like this video and subscribe our channel. Bye bye.